All right, hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here. So today, very quick video here. So one way to change the look of your car is by changing the chrome of the Tesla logos. So from evbase, I actually purchased some blackout logo covers that'll go over the rear here and the front and also the steering wheel, but I'm not gonna do the steering wheel one because I really like the look of that one. But I'm gonna show you how to do this real quick. Now I have them in my pocket. So for the one on the back, you want to pay attention to the curvature that it matches the back here. And literally there's just some 3M tape kind of on the back here that literally we're just going to peel off and stick on. Now I'm going to grab a microfiber cloth here that I've been using, just washed the car. So I'm just going to kind of dry it off here again, just to kind of do a proper adhesion, if that's a word, to the back here. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this on real quick. So let me get the camera a little closer. All right, so as you can see here, we have the chrome logo here, and then I have the black Tesla logo. Now, one thing I'll tell you guys is that the peeling inside here, you want to be careful because I was trying to peel it back and I literally ripped it out. So I'm hoping that it adheres because I was able to get it back in there. But all you're going to do is essentially just line it up and then just apply force, and then kind of just apply force for probably, I don't know, about maybe 30 seconds, something like that. I'm even going to do the microfiber cloth just so that way my oils from my hands aren't going to be messing with it. And it actually looks like it holds on pretty good. I mean, obviously it's a very sticky residue that's holding on. I would say that's about it. I don't think that's going anywhere. So now let me grab this other piece here. All right, so I got this piece here. Now I'm gonna try to lift this off, but I can already tell that it's starting to peel the sticky part. So I have kind of a golf tool here that I'm gonna try to see if I can hold that down and separate the sticky part here, because it just will not just stay down. So a little bit of a design flaw there. But now that I did that, there we go. So stayed there. So now I'm just gonna, once again, just kind of stick it over this, apply some pressure. All right. And there we go. So there is the back one done. So as you can see here, gives a completely different look, and it is actually very snug against the car as well. So there's no gap or anything like that. So now let's go do the front. All right, so same thing with the front. I'm just gonna wipe down the chrome on here. Like I said, I just washed the car, so it should do pretty well. Now, it's kind of the same situation. You got this tape back here, but I do know for a fact if I start to peel it, let's see if this one screws me over. Yeah, the sticky part's moving with it as well. So I'm gonna try to see if I can use this club brush, and that worked. So I was able just to kind of nick it so I can peel it. So we're just gonna peel that off there. And then same thing, we're just gonna cover over the Tesla logo there and push down. It's very sticky, so it's gonna adhere pretty well. I'm gonna kind of do the same thing. I'm gonna just use the microfiber cloth here, kind of hold it down. And then do the same with this side, which once again, it's peeling. So gonna peel it back and then kind of push the stickiness back down, so then I can pull this back. It's very interesting that it does that. Like, honestly, a little frustrating, because you would think it'd be a lot easier to just remove this part. And as you can see, I mean, it just comes right out. So a little bit of a design flaw in my opinion, but it is what it is. And then let's cover up the top part here. And same thing, just gonna push some pressure down. All right, and that's all she wrote. So let's take a little bit of a closer look. So as you can see there, guys, definitely looks pretty awesome, especially since it's got that black on there, and I got the black wheel covers from evbase on there. I think that black really does pop and make it look really nice. And then if we go over here to the back, you can see just kind of that look there as well with the black. So I think it looks pretty nice. You know, as far as the design and everything goes. So what do you think? I would have to say that with the addition of these black wheel covers over my 19-inch sport wheels and the black here, which, excuse me, you can see my shadow here, I think it does look really good with the kind of stormtrooper look there. So there you have it, guys. If you're interested in buying these, I'll put my link down in the description, and you can use my promo code, which is Roy22, and you'll be able to buy anything on evbase's website and get 22% off. But gotta say, the whip is looking nice. So definitely looking forward to adding some more things. I'm actually gonna be doing a black or a matte black carbon fiber spoiler. So stay tuned for that. And there we go. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe, ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and see you on the next one.